Yes, children. Polynomials. As the name suggests, let us break this into two parts. Now here, poly means it's a prefix which means many, right? And nomial means term. So the simple meaning of polynomial is many terms. Many terms. But this is not the exact definition. This is just the meaning of the term. How do we define a polynomial, beta? In mathematics, if you have heard of these things, we call variable, we have constants, and we have operators, right? Now operators are plus, minus, multiply, divide. These are the four basic operators in mathematics. Variables is the small letters, it is denoted by, as the name says, variables, anything whose value can be changed. Whose value can be changed. For example, in the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, choice of L plus B. For different dimensions, L and B change. It's not that we have only one rectangle in the world whose length and breadth is fixed. Right, beta? So for different rectangles, length and breadth is different. So these are known as variables. Variables means whose values keep on changing. Then we have constants. Constant means fixed. So all the numbers are known as constants. Okay. So now, when we are going to combine these variables and constants with the help of operators, when we combine variables and constants with the help of operators, we get some expression. We call them algebraic expressions. For example, if I take variable x, operator plus, constant is any number, let's say 4. X plus 4. This is known as expression. As it is expressing something to you. What it is expressing, children? That a number x is added, 4 is added to some number x. And if I say better 2x, what does it mean? What does it represent? What does it express to you? Anybody?
2 is multiplied
Does it
by
mean
2 is multiplied by x.
x? Or we can say double of a number, twice of a number, right?
Yes,
If I have x upon 3, what does it express?
X divided by
x divided by 3.
It means 1/3 of a number.
Of the
1/3.
If I write 1 upon 8, does it mean
Undivided
reciprocal of
Yes.
that is reciprocal of a number? है ना? If I have x square minus 3x, another expression. If I have root x, another expressions. So these are the various expressions we talk of. Okay, these are the various expressions we talk of. But out of these expressions, children, there are some expressions in which the power of variable is a whole number. The power of variable is a whole number. Such expressions are known as
whole number.
Polynomial.
Such expressions are known as,
Polynomials.
for example, if I talk of x plus 4, is it a polynomial? Is it a polynomial? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
2x,
ma'am.
x upon 3,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
1 upon 8, 1 upon 8.
yes.
What is the power of variable here?
1
Yes, ma'am.
and 8 is to the power minus.
Is it a whole number? Is it a whole number?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So this is not a
This is not a
polynomial.
polynomial.
This is not a polynomial. What about x square minus 3x?
Yes, ma'am.
It is.
Yes,
Root x.
Ma'am.
What does text
No.
mean?
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It is again not a polynomial.
Polynomial.
It is again not a polynomial. So simple words में beta, if I ask you expression, these days as we all are using social media, we use so much of WhatsApp and all, there are emojis available, right? There are emojis available. If you are happy, you will send a smiling one. If you are sad, you will send a sad one. If you just love something, you will send an emoji with hearts over there. So there are different emojis for different expressions. The way you feel, you can choose the, if you like something, you can just put thumbs up. है ना बेटा? So there are so many emojis available. There are so many emojis available to express yourself. To express yourself. With the help of emoji, you can convey your expression to the other person. If you are angry, you will say the angry one. But which emoji you like the most? Do you like somebody sending you angry face, or do you like somebody sending you a
Happy
smiling
one.
face? Happy ones. So all those are emojis. Thumbs up is emoji. This is emoji. Victory sign is emoji. Smiling face emoji. Sad face emoji. Heart emoji. There are so many. But all the emojis are not your favorite. You like the smiling ones, the heart ones, and all. है ना? So just relate it to that. All these are expressions. All these are expressions as they are conveying something to you. Something is representing 4 added to a number. This is representing double of a number, 1/3 of a number, square root, reciprocal. These all are expressing something. But all these expressions are not polynomials. All these expressions are not polynomials. Polynomials are only those expressions in which the power of variable is a whole number. Are you with me, children?
Yes,
Are you getting
ma'am.
my point? All are emojis, but all emojis are not your
Yes,
favorite. So likewise, all these are expressions, but all these expressions are not polynomials.
Polynomial.
So are you clear with the definition of a polynomial?
Yes, ma'am.
Polynomial is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression in which the power of variable is a what?
Whole number.
Whole number. ठीक है? And now, as I
Yes,
said,
ma'am.
poly means many, nomial means term. Poly means many, nomial means term. So an expression with many terms is also a polynomial. Right.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
what we are going to do is, we are going to divide this, find the types of polynomials on two bases. Two bases. First, we shall find the types of polynomial on the basis of degree, and one on the basis of terms. And you have done both of these in classes 7th and 8th.
Yes,
We're just
ma'am.
going to revise it. We're just going to revise it. On the basis of term, if there is only one term, what is the name of such polynomial?
Monomial.
If there are two terms,
Binomial. Binomial.
three terms,
Binomial.
and if you have more than three terms, you can simply call it a polynomial. Have a specific name for that. Yes. Example. What is 3y? Is it a monomial?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
But if I write 3 plus y, if I write 3 plus y, it becomes binomial.
Two terms.
If I have x upon 2, it's a monomial. But if I have x plus 2, it's a
Binomial.
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 Plus 2, that is also a binomial. है ना बेटा? So if you are multiplying or dividing, please see to this carefully. If you are multiplying or dividing, it remains single term. But if you are adding or subtracting, the number of terms increase.
Binomial.
number of terms increase. So 3y means y plus y plus y. If I write 3y as, please understand it's an important point. 3y, if I write y plus y plus y, will you call it a trinomial or will you call it a trinomial or will you call it a monomial? This is a question to make you.
Mono.
Monomial. If it's
Ma'am,
It's
it's
trinomial.
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 Ma'am,
y
trinomial.
plus y, then we will write trinomial.
It is a monomial because like terms are counted as one. Like terms are counted as single term. So if you have 3y, so you are saying monomial. And if I writing it y plus y, does it mean it will become trinomial? No. Please understand, children, all the like terms are combined and put as one. So this is known as just one term. आप like terms को separate count नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है? So 3y
Yes, ma'am.
will be a monomial and not a trinomial. And trinomial
Yes,
means how many terms?
3
Three
terms.
It could be x square minus 3x plus 4. It would be x plus y plus z. अच्छा देखो, x plus y plus z is trinomial. But if I write x multiply y multiply z,
Ma'am,
it will be a
Monomial. Monomial.
clear. So this was
yes,
on the
ma'am.
basis of terms. Now, if I divide it on the basis of degree, let's see. If the degree of your polynomial is, let's say, 1, and start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If the degree is 0, it is called constant polynomial. What is this called?
Constant
Constant.
polynomial.
If this is 1,
Linear.
2,
Quadratic.
3,
Cubic.
and 4. Biquadratic. What it is called? Biquadratic.
Biquadratic.
And I hope, children, you know the degree. The highest power of a variable. The highest
ma'am.
power of a variable is known as degree. You have done all this in 7th and 8th. I'm just revising.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, constant. As the name says, constant. So, any number is a constant polynomial. Any number is a constant polynomial. Linear. Degree 1. What is the degree here?
Yes, ma'am. 1.
1. If we
X
have like
square.
this, what is the degree here?
2.
2. X cube.
What is x cube minus 4? What is the degree? 3.
3.
3.
And 4.
So this is known as
4.
pi.
By
Children, just see one thing.
Ma'am.
Do you know that x raised to the power 0 is 1? Children, do we know that x raised to the power 0 is 1?
yes, ma'am.
So can I write 7 into 1, which is 7x raised to the power 0?
Yes, ma'am.
That is why I am saying that any number is a constant polynomial. Constant polynomial because the degree here will be 0. Because the degree here will be 0. Ji beta? Yes?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt anywhere? Please
No, ma'am.
ask. Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, any number is a constant polynomial, but if I have 0, if I have 0, this 0, then 0 is also a number, but we do not call it as a constant polynomial, we call it a zero polynomial. Is the value, if the value of a constant is 0, if the value of the constant is 0, we call it a zero polynomial. Is that okay?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So far, we are doing till 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are not bothered what is the degree 5, what is the degree 6. We are concerned till degree 4 here till class 9 and 10. Okay. Now I am just revising you the definition of a degree and the coefficient. I'm just revising with you. I'll make you write everything later, but understand. The highest power is degree. What is the highest power of the variable?
3.
3.
So this is 3.
3.
Now if
Three.
I have this thing, what is the degree of this polynomial?
2. 2.
2.
2.
Sure. Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
First of
Ma'am,
all,
it
tell
is
me
not
one
a
thing.
polynomial.
Is it a polynomial?
No,
Is
ma'am,
it a
it is not a
polynomial?
polynomial.
Root x, which means x raised to the power half. It's not a polynomial, beta. And जब polynomial ही नहीं है, तो how we can talk of its degree? So you have to be careful with this thing. Okay? Alok, you want to ask anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Alok, you want to ask
Yes,
anything?
ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what
Ask.
is the degree of zero polynomial?
The degree of zero polynomial is 0 only. No? Okay. Now, children, I am going to give you a new term. I discussed with you zero polynomial. Now I am discussing zero of a polynomial. Now, what do we mean by zero of a polynomial? Zero of a polynomial is that value of a variable on putting which the polynomial reduces to 0. On putting which the polynomial reduces to 0. For example, if I have this, can you tell me for what value of x this polynomial becomes 0?
-3.
Minus. Yes.
Minus
Is
3.
there any other value possible?
No, ma'am.
No. Now, if I have x minus 2, what is the 0 of this polynomial?
2.
If I have
2.
2x plus 6, how to find 0 of such polynomial?
Minus 3. Minus 3.
Minus 3. Because 2 into minus 3 makes it
Minus 6.
6. And minus 6 plus 6 becomes 0.
0.
So to find 0 of a polynomial, I'm repeating, 0 of a polynomial is that value of a variable on putting which the polynomial reduces to 0. So how to find it? To find zeros, we equate it to 0. Because we need to find it 0. So हमने उसको किसके equal रख देना है बेटा? 0 के.
0.
And then you solve it. Does it mean 2x is equal to minus 6? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is x equal to?
-3.
-3.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have to find
Yes,
0
ma'am.
of plus 5. 3x plus 5. What will I do? I will put it equal to 0. Now what does it mean? G beta? Yes?
Yes,
So the
ma'am.
Yes,
zero of
Ma'am.
a polynomial is that value on putting which the variable polynomial becomes 0. And to find 0 of a polynomial, we can equate polynomial to 0. Okay? And how do we represent
Yes, ma'am.
polynomial? Usually like this. If I have a polynomial, I may name it this. My name is Jyoti, your name is something or the other. Sabka kuch naam hai. So we can give names to the polynomial as px. px, rx, tx, gx, कुछ भी नाम दे सकते हैं polynomials को. If it is in x, if the polynomial is in y, suppose y minus
Then
3,
we
so
write
we can name it p of y. Okay? If it is
Yes,
in,
ma'am.
let's say t minus 1, so we call it pt.
PT.
Whatever the variable used, that variable name we assign to it. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Elvis, you may stop. Sorry, Joy, you may stop it.